Hello learners, welcome back. Here I am with another example where you can learn, understand about NX Open programming without prior programming knowledge. This is my attempt to aware you with the possibilities, with the opportunities of using NX Open programming. If you are serious enough, then I would like to invite you to a 90 minutes live masterclass where I am going to share with you all the details about NX Open and how it can helpful for you being design engineer. In order to find the link for registration, go and check the comment section just below this video and I will see you in my live masterclass. For now, just resume to this particular example. Here I am going to show you how you can access the active files in the NX. So this is yet another example which showcases how you can interact, get the relevant information from your active NX session. So there are lot of uh, powerful APIs, I would say, which are available for us to use in our program so that we can access literally anything inside the NX session. So let's see what this example is. You can see there is an dummy assembly open in my NX session along with this blank sheet. Now let's see what this journal is. This journal reports the top level parts which are active in a session. So as usual, I have imported NX Open UF libraries and then I have also accessed the current session inside NX. Then as I told you already in earlier video as well, this nxopen.uf is a namespace which contains the wrappers which belong to user function, which belong to ufunc. Then in this what exactly is done in this example is the assembly class within user function is used, and then there is an API called ask occurrences of part. So this is used to access all the active parts in a active session of NX. So we provide some parameters to this API. One of that is nxopen.tag.null, and then another is we also provide the tag of the active on the active part, and then the occurrences as a tag. So this is provided, and then there are some, these are basically the parameters those are required for this API to function correctly. So this, once these parameters are provided, then the top level part along with its part can be displayed. This is the same thing is being done here. It's very simple, less lines of code, a journal to refer. The only important part is this particular line, and as there could be several active say active parts in our NX window, for each loop is used so that we won't miss on anything, and we check one by one through the for each loop iteration, and we can report all of that. So without wasting time, let's see what happens if I play this journal. You could see this journal has reported 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of these are actually the top level parts. So within that car assembly, within that assembly file, we also have these parts which are a top level parts, and it has reported all of them. So in total, 5 are reported. This is the beauty of a journal. This is the beauty of NX Open APIs. It can go inside your NX and retrieve the specific and complete information which can be useful for you as a design engineer to uh, to review. So this is how it works. Definitely, as usual, you can go and look for the source code. The link for source code can be found in the comment section. You can go and try it on your own, on your system, on your NXCAD, and see how it works for you. I think you are getting what I mean. You are able to understand the content that I'm sharing with you. Uh, if you like my content, please hit that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. I will be waiting for you to see in the next video of this video series. Thank you. Bye bye. Good luck.